Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today it's all about the woodland photography. We had some rain last night and I thought it would be fun to take a walk in the woods and see if we can find interesting subjects. I just came through an old tree plantation. I think I found my first composition. It's pretty interesting. I'm gonna use my 70mm lens. I'm gonna capture probably like 3 or 4 images to get a panoramic shot using my Nodal slide. I'll show you how I'm gonna use it. So let's go take this first shot. There's a lot of light coming in from the side and I want to focus the attention on the back of the image. It's going to be f11 to make sure I achieve focus from front to back. I don't mind if the far back of the image is not that sharp because the attention is going to be more on the trees. I wanted to talk a little bit about panoramic shots. In this case, I'm using a Nodal slide. I know I made a reference in my couple of videos ago. I'm going to put it right over there if you want to see it. I said that the nodal point of a lens is right in front of the lens, and it's not true. I thought I might correct what I said and show you how to find the correct nodal point for each and every lens. I wish I get it right this time. And I know if I don't, you guys gonna tell me. Now that I put my camera a little bit farther back to try to get the lens a little bit farther from the tree to find that nodal point, I'm gonna show you what it looks like, what the tree looks like when I move the camera. You see now that the tree is staying pretty much dead center of those trees. So I guess now we can call it like we just found the nodal point of this lens. Alright guys, I just took the image, so can't wait to go back and see what it looks like after stitching it.